I'm dietitian Anju Gupta, and I am sponsored by dietitian Kaveri. My mentor is Rohini, and here I am just coming to tell you about the Nutrilite whey protein powder along with the other protein powder, and its comparison will be there in reference to price and quality. Firstly, we have to know what is protein. Protein is an essential element that is required for our body, and it plays an important role in our life. We can say that it has mainly four major functions. Firstly, it helps in maintaining the energy. It helps in maintaining and repairing the muscles, and it helps in the enzyme production as a catalyst. It helps in the hormonal growth also. So we have to know that what is protein and how it is manufactured. It is made up of amino acid that is that when goes under our body, when it goes in our body, then it breaks into small molecules and takes participate in different types of activities. So here you some essential amino acids are also here, which are not synthesized by our body. So it should be taken from outside as a plant source, as an animal source, but we have to take it. If will if there will be protein deficiency, then definitely there will be some problem like uh, hair falling problem, brain development problem, and in skin issues, and some metabolic activity problems. Some we also complain for a weight problem. So all these are problems which have to keep in our mind. Actually, when we take protein in the form of pulses, vitamins, fruits, then it doesn't provide us adequate quantity of it. So that means we have to take it from outside also. So we need a supplement, and supplement is must for we can say that it is an essential uh, element for our body, to which we have to take from outside. And there are plant source and animal source also. If I'm vegetarian, as you know, that then I can't take red meat and lean meat or fish. By this means we have to obviously take the supplement. So here now I'm going to tell you about Nutrilite whey protein powder. That is Nutrilite whey protein powder, and it is made up of three main components: soy, wheat, and peas. It is totally organic and it is totally plant based, and it gives so many benefits to our body. And by taking this product, we never suffer from any type of side effect or any health issue. But there are some other products also available. So many products are available in market, in which some create constipation problem, diarrhea problem, and some other health issue. So if I will discuss about the other protein powder, as I have another protein powder also here, that is available here. So here, if we will go in nutrient value, then we will found that 100 gram of this protein 100 gram of this protein powder contains 19 gram of protein, whereas 100 gram of the Nutrilite whey protein powder contains 80 gram of protein. And the other thing is that it is totally certified and approved by our nutritionist and health and medical teams. And the other thing is that when we go to for its quality, then it is too good. Nutrilite health whey protein powder is very beneficial for us because it is organic, and secondly its PDCAS score is 1, whereas in this powder it's not available. So it means it is totally approved, and it is we can say that free from any type of hazard problem. The other thing is that ki, but it's 500 gram is of 2387 rupees, whereas its 400 gram is 690 rupees only. But now we come to the you will understand it's why I'm telling all these things. Just firstly you have to know that firstly what's the measurement for taking that. This powder has to be taken and 12 scoop per day. Yes, 12 scoop per day. 6 scoop in morning, 6 scoop in evening. Whereas for this protein powder we have to take it only 4 scoop per day. 2 scoop in morning, 2 scoop in evening. So 1 scoop contains 5 gram. It means only 20 gram required per day. Whereas for this 60 gram per day we have to require. And even on the pattern basis you can also just that, and this quantity it means if it contains 400, this packing is of 400 grams only, then it means one box will be finished only in 6 days, whereas this box will be finished in 24 days. If we will go through a now price comparison, then for 24 days its cost will be 2760. It is greater than this amount. So why will not prefer this? Because it's organic also, and it's not chemical based, it's not has any health issue. By this means now it is, according to me, can use freely. Thank you.